المحطة الأخيرة لهذا القطار هي إكسبو 2020. المحطة القادمة هي أبراج الإمارات. The final destination of this train is Expo 2020. The next station is Emirates Towers. المحطة القادمة هي أبراج الإمارات. The next station is Emirates Towers.
So for everyone traveling on a budget and eating noodles, this is how you do it. Oh, look at the horizon, babe. Can you see the peaks? Marina, where we're gonna take the, what's it called? What did she say its name?
Oh, I forgot.
Oh well, we'll ask her.
She said yacht.
Yes, she said yacht. I'm like, no. But
she looked at me and she says, you know, you look like she's a yacht kind of guy,
yes.
You know? And I was thinking, you know, yeah, from your lips to God's ears, you know? So, where's my yacht?
And again,
where are my keys to my yacht?
Yeah.
Yours have keys, right? Or
they do.
Are there pedals? Yeah.
There's no pedals.
You have to pedal.
There are some.
You actually have to pedal.
I don't think
yacht.
they're called yachts then. All right, so we are gonna go. Oh, look again. People really don't like to walk.
Have a look left or right.
I know.
You think it's this way?
It's this way.
Yeah,
It's this way. She said this way, and by the map, the waterfront is that way. So yeah, it is. I can feel it too. And this is not the airport. This is not the airport. This is a metro station.
Yeah. And the really cool thing is, it goes from the station, and sometimes it goes through a building, like an actual building.
Like this one. This one goes through a building.
Yes, it does, yes.
And then a lot of residentials. And this is the tram. I think we have to go to the tram, babe. Yes, this is the tram. So we're going to the tram to Aspen. So if you're a wheelchair user, you have to get out in the heat because the escalator. Go this way.
Otherwise, you can come down.
Yeah. So we need to ask someone in here if there is anyone in here. Yeah, there should be. Oh, okay, so here it is, babe. Yeah, but here it is. This is the whole system.
Awesome.
Yeah, look, homes. This is where you can skydive. But I saw here, this is the place. We're here.
I'm just thinking about skydiving in this heat.
It's probably colder. So we are here and by train, but we want to go there. This is where the boat goes. So I am guessing we have to here in the Marina Mall maybe. Oh, I don't know. I am a little bit. Oh, your glasses are really filthy. Whatever you did to them.
It's just smudged. It's not.
Yeah. All right. Oh, I wish people could feel the heat every time we get out of, every time we walk out. It's just incredible. Incredible.
What's that?
Ooh. Out in the heat again.
Door closing.
Yes, please. Hope this is all right.
We're packing along those people. They're doing the tour.
Yeah, the
They're
bus.
going to the
Jump up and off.
to the same.
Ground floor.
I'm doing a cheaper tour though.
Door opening.
Yeah.
Alright, so we need to go in there. So crossing over. I like how they did this. Woohoo! It's so hot! It is like when you open the oven after you've done a 45 minutes of baking a lasagna. That what comes in your face. That's what you walk into. I think I know who Dubai people are and who Dubai people are not.
Alright.
Yes. Because they know they are the one who follow the rules. They are the one who tell people off.
Yeah.
And you can kind of see who are tourists and who are not tourists.
Yeah.
That's the difference.
Yeah.
We had a lady yesterday. We were waiting at the elevator, and we had a lady with a pram as well, and she was very, very misorganized. And there was a couple with also a pram and a baby, and they cut the line.
They just came and just walked past everybody.
Yes,
They went straight to the front.
Everyone. Maybe they do that in their country, and
no,
she got
I know.
pissed off. I got pissed off too, but I didn't say. I wanted to say what she said, and I was like, no, keep calm, keep cool. Right. So this is a mall. By
Just in case you're wondering.
in case you're wondering where the hell we ended up in. Yeah. Yes. Look, they have Cafe Nero and Starbucks next to each other. Oh man, that's so pretty.
Oh wow, yeah, I really missed that.
Don't worry, I have it recovered. I have it recorded. I have to say, it is amazing how clean their bathrms are. The
Yeah.
public toilets.
It reminds me of Japan.
It does.
Yeah.
Even
I had
if
an
you-
incident. I went to one of those toilets where you press the button and the door slides up. So I went in, and then guess what? Someone else came outside and pressed the button, and the button just went off.
These are all that. We want that one, babe. That's what we want. That's the one. Let's go.
Let's do it.
There's Kingsley's boat over there. I just bought them for him. I didn't want to pay tax, so I bought stuff instead.
You bought the boat?
Yeah. I rent it out now for tourists.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
Good. So I'll be the first tourist then. So that could be my
Sidekick.
sidekick. Yeah.
So look at this. So you go through a mall again, And then you get out here and you just walk up to the Pier 7, and over there is the boat that will take you on the outside of the waterfront, which is exactly what we want. We just need to know how you check out from your Metro card.
I wouldn't worry about it.
Okay. I mean, we leave tomorrow, so that's okay. But it's
Just
just
an address here in Dubai. So
Yeah.
I can send all the tickets to this
oh yeah, that would be good.
and I promise to pay.
Look at all of these guys.
Doesn't it have like a very Calgary
It does.
feel about it?
Calgary in Canada.
City center.
Yeah, the city center.
Those are colors.
Yeah, and even the color of the water actually. The water here is a little bit dirty. We're always in a marina.
A little hot.
It is a little bit hot. So here's Dubai Marine Transport Station. This is the one that we need. This is the Pier 7. It's really hot today. So this is the boat we are taking. It's called Dubai Ferry. FR1 line is the one that we want to do, and there's specific times when it leaves. And also just make sure that if you want to just see the palm tree and back, there are also specific hours when it leaves, but also specific a number of people, so make sure that you're enough. It looks like there's enough people now. And if you buy your Metro card and then top it up, make sure that when you top it up, that you make sure that you top it up with the sufficient money for riding one of these. Otherwise you can just pay by cash, which the ticket officer said it was impossible. So yeah, I kind of had that feeling. That we are gonna go into the building again, the shopping mall. We have to kill an hour, so we are gonna find something to eat. Find something to eat so that we are happy and full and I don't crash my sugar level.
So we're back. We've come back to get on our boat ride, and it was literally as we're coming here, I was saying, oh, it's interesting how Dubai has no free anything for anybody with disability on a wheelchair. And then we got here to pay, and the guy said to us, do you have any ID whatsoever? And that basically says you're disabled on it, but I didn't have anything. I had a photo of the Paralympic accreditation thingy, so we showed that to them, and that was more than enough. So if you're on a wheelchair, you don't have to pay to go on the ride here. And but the information is kind of missing, because when we topped up our cards at a different station, the guy there, he didn't say anything about this. He didn't say, oh yeah, because if you're going there you don't need to pay. He just said, top up your cards.
And I wonder if the Metro also is free for you.
Yeah,
or not. Now
I have no idea.
About it.
Now I'm thinking about it. Yeah. And it doesn't matter what country you're from, you just have to show that you're disabled. And
yeah, you need a Paralympic accreditation to
there's not even a disabled parking badge or
yeah,
anything
even
like
that
still
would
works.
work. Yeah, or your library card with a picture of you, literally.
Yeah. So that's cool. So looking forward to going on a ride.
We are going on that thing that's over there.